Key production for musicians' honest review. Watch before using. Key Production is a digital resource aimed at musicians and producers looking for high-quality, ready-to-use samples, loops, and sound libraries. This platform offers a wide variety of professionally crafted audio assets, designed for genres ranging from electronic, pop, hip-hop, to cinematic soundscapes. The key feature of Key Production is its curated selection of sounds that ensure high fidelity and versatility, allowing musicians to seamlessly integrate them into their projects. One of the standout aspects is that the content is royalty-free, meaning you can use the samples in commercial projects without legal issues. Perfect for both indie artists and professional producers alike. Additionally, the interface is user-friendly, with sounds organized by genre, mood, and instrument, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Key Production was built with producers in mind who are either pressed for time or looking to enhance their sound with professional quality elements. If you struggle with creating complex compositions from scratch or simply need to spark your creativity with new sounds, this platform is a great asset. It's especially useful for those working in DAWs like Ableton, FL Studio, or Logic Pro, since all the content is drag and drop compatible, making the production process faster and smoother. One downside to note is that the pricing structure can feel steep if you're only using a handful of samples per month. However, if you're a frequent user, the subscription model becomes cost-effective over time. In summary, Key Production is a fantastic tool for musicians and producers at any skill level who need high-quality samples to elevate their music. It's a convenient, professional resource for enhancing sound, cutting down on production time, and maintaining creative flow. However, it's important to weigh how much value you'll get from the subscription versus your usage needs. If you're serious about producing high-level tracks, Key Production could be a game changer for your workflow.